Always make sure you have the correct number of wall cables before leaving the warehouse. When doing your lights, it will be one cable per side of each tent. So in this example, we're doing a 20 by 20 tent. We'll need 4 wall cables installed to be able to set up the lights. If the tent order has walls and lights, the lights will need to be installed after the walls. When setting up the tent, it is best to install the wall cables when setting up the upper pole structure, but it can be done once the tent is fully set up. To install the wall cables, if you're doing it during the tent setup, on one side of the wall cable there's a carabiner. Clip that to the small hole on the tent pipe connector on the side where the wall will be. Now stretch the cable out, making sure there are no knots or twists to the other side of the tent. Then you can insert the hook on the end of the cable using a rotating motion, stretching the cable out. You'll then hook it back to the cable, locking it in where it can't come loose during the event. Now install the lights by hooking the hooks on the light strands onto the wall cables around the perimeter of the tent. Then connect the white extension cord to the lights for power. The white extension cord will run up just one of the tent legs, and this extension cord you'll want to zip tie to the top to make sure it can't come loose. Next, test the lights by turning them on, which is plugging them into power. If there are any bulbs that are not working, usually all you'll have to do is twist the bulb back in all the way into the socket. If that doesn't work, remove that bulb and replace with the extra ones in your tent light bin. Finally, zip tie the white extension cord down to the leg so it can't get snagged and it looks clean.